Eugene! So today we have something really fun planned out. So I'm gonna wrap my car with like the Christmas wrap, you know, the one you use for the presents. But before that, remember, yes, last vlog when I did my editing room. All these fumes from this paint is getting me. Well, this is how my editing room looks like now. So waking up today, I found out that I have a runny nose, and I feel yucky. I feel nasty. All my booger all the way over here. My runny nose is an athlete because it runs. I'm so funny. I have good jokes. But anyways, I'm gonna go to 7-Eleven right now. I'm gonna go get money. I'm gonna go to the 99. I'm gonna get the wrap so I can start wrapping my car. So I got the wraps. Now I need the tape. And we're all good. I wasn't expecting the lines to be this big. They're huge and I don't like waiting at all. Before I start wrapping the paper, I need to clean the car because it's pretty dirty. And I'm not gonna be able to show how the car looks till tomorrow, which I'm gonna show you the clip now. Right now I gotta get ready because I gotta go eat with my family. We're gonna have a dinner at my sister's house. I gotta shower, I gotta find what I'm gonna wear. Since I'm in a hurry, you know, I gotta just wash my body right quick with clothes, everything, because they're hurrying me up. Gotta stay clean. Out the shower, not to change. Oh. Oh, oh, look at this. Your boy has, look, reindeers, cause Christmas. And then, bam, here, reindeer socks. The host right here. Yeah. This fool. Boom, boom, boom. The second host. My sister. My mother. Say it loud and proud, like, what's up? Like that.
So, guys, the helpers right now that's about to do the party. And this is our upstairs room. And sorry, you see this? You see that? There's a goal.
Merry Christmas! Happy birthday! Erica! Woo! Happy birthday to you! Woo! Alrighty then. So this is where the vlog's gonna end. Remember remember to like and subscribe. Let's get to 50 subscribers. I want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas. Be safe. And above all, bye-bye.